unmistakable images of oriental towers in the open air, scenes which Debussy managed to capture in his piece called Pagode or Pagodas.
Achille Claude Debussy was born on the 22nd of August 1862 and died in 1918. A French composer often referred to as the first impressionist composer, although he vigorously rejected the term.
By the early part of the 20th century, Debussy was already beginning to reject the stereotyped harmonic palette of the 19th century Romanticism, choosing to opt instead for the textures and colours of Impressionism.
The set of three pieces known as Estampes was written in 1903, all atmospheric and descriptive pieces, each using scales and textures in an impressionistic style.
The first of these pieces is Pagode, where Debussy uses the pentatonic scale to evoke an oriental atmosphere. And then to Spain, to Granada, where Debussy uses the Spanish dance, a habanera, to depict a wonderful evening in Granada. And finally, to France. And Debussy also takes us to his favorite part of nature, which is water. And we see this in his orchestral piece, La Mer, or the Sea. But here we have Jardin sous la pluie, or Gardens in the Rain.
This final scene of nature takes us to Debussy's other signature focus. Most of his works evoke nature in some capacity, and his critical writings and correspondence seem to suggest, or even argue passionately, for a symbiosis between music and nature.
Throughout his critical writings, Debussy maintained that nature is the supreme source of beauty in the universe. He also believed that music has the single capacity to glorify the natural world.
Today we give you an array of artistic offerings. First of all, our version of his Petite Suite, written between 1886 and 1889, before Debussy was on his impressionistic journey, and this movement is called ballet. The video of Exquisite Butterflies was created by Kathleen Lord.